Mastering polite expressions, using can I or may I to ask for permission. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this lesson, we will explore an essential aspect of polite expressions in English. Making requests using the phrases can I and may I. Learning how to ask for permission politely is crucial in various situations, whether you're interacting with friends, colleagues, or strangers. So, let's dive in and master the art of using can I and may I effectively. Before we delve into the specific usage of can I and may I, let's understand the difference between the two phrases. Both can I and may I are used to ask for permission, but there is a subtle distinction in their formality. Can I is a more casual and informal way of seeking permission. It is commonly used in everyday conversations among friends, family, or colleagues in a relaxed setting. For example, can I borrow your pen, please? May I is considered more formal and polite. It is often used when addressing people in positions of authority, elders, or in more formal settings. For instance, may I use your restroom, please? Remember, while both phrases are acceptable in most situations, using may I demonstrates a higher level of politeness and respect. Now, let's focus on making requests using can I. Here are a few key points to keep in mind. Subject plus can plus I plus base verb. To form a request using can I, start with the subject, followed by can I, and then use the base form of the verb. For example, can I have a glass of water, please? Be polite and specific. When making a request, it's essential to be polite and specific about what you're asking for. Instead of saying, can I have that, it's better to say, can I have a slice of cake, please? Use please and thank you. Adding please at the end of your request shows politeness. Additionally, don't forget to express gratitude with a thank you after the person grants permission. For instance, can I borrow your book, please? Thank you. Remember, using can I is more suitable in informal situations or when interacting with people you are familiar with. Moving on to may I, let's explore how to use this phrase appropriately. Subject plus may plus I plus base verb. Similar to can I, begin the request with the subject, followed by may I, and then the base form of the verb. For example, may I have a moment of your time? Formal situations. May I is particularly suitable for formal situations, such as asking for permission in official settings or addressing people in positions of authority. For example, may I speak with the manager, please? Adding politeness. Just like with can I, remember to use please at the end of your request. Additionally, when using may I, it is customary to phrase your request more formally. For instance, may I request your permission to use this equipment, please? Using may I demonstrates a higher level of respect and formality, making it appropriate for professional or formal contexts. Congratulations! You have now mastered the usage of can I and may I when making requests.